So in this video, you'll learn how to turn live captions on or off on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to go ahead and open the Settings app. And then once you're in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Accessibility. From Accessibility, you're going to tap on Hearing Enhancements, and then you're going to select Live Caption. From here, if you want to enable the feature, just tap on the toggle like that and it will be turned on. And now you can start using live captions on your Z Fold 7. You can go a step further to customize this feature. For example, you can choose to install any language packs for the live caption feature. You can choose to customize how the caption looks like by tapping on Caption Preferences and going through these options and just customizing it to your liking. You can choose to enable or disable expressive captions, so things like boom or raindrops, stuff like that. You can choose to show or hide profanity, and you can choose to have a live caption shortcut in the volume control menu. Again, with all of these options, you can just tap on them to go ahead and actually customize them to your liking, or you can just tap on the toggles to enable or disable these features. If you want to disable live captions, you can just tap on the toggle at the top and they'll be turned off. Alternatively, if you've already gone through the process of setting up and customizing the live caption feature to your liking, and you now want to use the shortcut, you can just come to live caption in volume control and tap on the toggle to enable it. And so now you can use this feature to successfully turn live captions on or off from the comfort of the volume control menu. If you want to access the volume control menu so that you can use that icon, what you're going to do is just press on volume up or volume down. And then once the volume rocker appears, tap on the three buttons. From these three buttons, you should see this volume control menu. So at the very top on the left-hand side, you should see the live captions icon. So you can tap on it to enable or to disable live captions on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.